Okay, so the longest chain would always win in a base. So instead of going like this way as like one, two, three, four, five, you'd go one and change the color so it's easier to see. It'd go one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So it'd be heptane. And then let's try like an example. So let me write down the rules down. Okay, so if we have, hmm, what would you name the base?
Would it be heptene?
Yeah, it'd be heptane. Good. So that would be like how you find the base. And then going into the methyl, ethyl, butyl, and stuff like that, pretend we have this one. What would you name this one then?
Butane?
Hmm. Actually, it would be pentane because there's one, two, three, four, five. Butane is four. Here, wait, I have a chart and you can copy it down. And that'll be kind of like your cheat sheet. It'll like help you with it a lot. Let me try to find. Here, I can write it. Actually, let me just send you the picture on iMessage because I don't think I can send you. Okay, I sent you it. You know, when you look at it, don't worry about the condensed structure or the formula. You can just look at the number of carbons and the name. So like if I gave you like an example here, you could count one way or the other. So you could count it as this way, as like I wrote down one, two, three, four, five, or you can write it as one, two, three, four, five. So then if we, what would you name this? Or would you like call it?
A branch?
But then the branches have names. So you know how I talked about, did you get the chart I sent you?
Mm, yeah.
Yeah. So if you look at the chart, you know how it says the number of carbons? Like, if you see it, like the number of carbons, what does number, like if it's one carbon, what's the name of it?
Methane?
Yeah. So this is one branch is like one carbon, right? So it'd be methane, right? Since it's just one carbon. But then when you're naming a branch, you drop the ane and then you add a YL. So you can like also look at this kind of as cheat sheet. So it equal to methyl, right? So if you're naming another branch, pretend you have pretend this is a branch, okay? It's pretend there's a branch and there's a base, but how many carbons are on this? If you like see it as like one, two, how many carbons are on this one?
4.
Oh, don't look at this. I was just adding a base, but
Oh, wait, is it 3?
yeah. But then technically it'd be two. That was kind of like my bad, but let me try to draw a structure because I think that'll be easier to see it. Okay, like what would you say how many carbons are on the branch?
Oh, 2.
Yeah. So if there's two carbons on a branch,